Welcome to my YouTube channel, Just AI Space. If you're interested in exploring AI, coding and future development tools, you're in the right place. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any powerful videos. Hello friends. Today we'll explore Amazon Q Developer, AWS's new agentic coding assistant that makes software development easier, faster, and more intelligent. In today's video, I'll also show you a live demo how you can build 4 different projects using just a single line prompt. Amazon Q Developer is a smart assistant that integrates into your IDE like VS Code and CLI. It doesn't just suggest code, it behaves like an agent. It can create files, write code, and even run shell commands based on your input. You can tell it, create a Flask app, and it will generate a complete file structure and can also create Docker file and even test cases for you. Amazon Q Developer is available in Visual Studio, Visual Studio Code, VS Code, Eclipse, and the JetBrains family of integrated development environments, IDEs. Get started with Amazon Q in just a few minutes. Install the Amazon Q extension for your editor, JetBrains, IntelliJ IDEA and more, VS Code, Visual Studio, or Eclipse. Amazon Q Developer free tier users create or sign in with Builder ID. Professional tier users sign in with AWS IAM Identity Center. Develop software, chat inline, get suggestions, refactor, and transform. Amazon Q appears in the activity bar in VS Code or in the top right tool window in IntelliJ IDEA. Now, let's move to the demo section, where I'll show you live output of 4 powerful prompts. You can try these prompts by simply copying and pasting them into Q Developer. We will create a SaaS landing page with the name of Just AI Space and add many features you want to add. This prompt generates a stunning landing page with your branding, a feature section, pricing table, testimonials, and call to action buttons. Q Developer automatically generates HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, ready to host on any static site like Netlify or S3. Now we will create a React UI chatbot that connects to the OpenAI ChatGPT API for live conversation. This prompt helps you build a fully interactive chatbot UI that connects to the ChatGPT API for live communication. Amazon Q Developer automatically builds React components, writes async fetch logic, and suggests styling. You can use this for customer support, education, or entertainment. Now, we will create a greedy snake game using Python and Pygame with real-time scoring and restart capability. With this prompt, you can create a classic snake game with real-time scoring and a restart button. It's a perfect project for beginners and demonstrates solid use of the Pygame library. Q Developer generates the full code, game logic, and even score tracking system. At the end, we will create a Python Flask app with endpoints for user management, add Docker file, generate Kubernetes deployment and service YML. This prompt gives you a complete backend solution. Amazon Q Developer creates a Flask app with endpoints for user creation, reading, updating, and deleting. It also generates a Docker file for easy containerization, and if you want to scale the app, it gives you Kubernetes deployment and service YAML files, a full microservices-ready setup with just one prompt. Wrap up and call to action. So friends, you just saw how we built 4 powerful apps using just a single prompt each. A landing page, chatbot, snake game, and a full backend app with deployment-ready config. Amazon Q Developer is a next-level tool for developers of all kinds. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the Just AI Space channel. Stay connected with us for more prompts, AI tools, and full-stack projects. Thank you, friends. See you in the next video.